And we will never convene again as an impeachment court dahil wala na nga kami jurisdiction.
Ipinahayag ni Senador Jinggoy na ang impeachment laban kay VP Sara ay malapit na raw tuluyang ibasura. Majority ng Senado pabor umano sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema.
Ang sentimento ng kapwa senador ko is to abide by the ruling of the Supreme Court.
So kung ganun, no more impeachment trial?
No more. Because ang sabi ng Supreme Court, sa desisyon ng Supreme Court, the Senate has no jurisdiction already. Dahil unconstitutional na yung final ng House of Representatives. So you do not have any jurisdiction anymore. And the Senate will not convene as an impeachment court because we do not have any jurisdiction anymore.
Pero sir, open ka pa rin na pakinggan yung mga mga arguments ng ilang mga legal...
Of course.
So pwede ba mag-change yung mind?
Hindi na. Because I will abide by the decision of the Supreme Court. Kahit ba maganda yung kanilang dahilan. Ultimately, ang Supreme Court naman ang masusunod. Hindi naman sila. Unless pag nag-file ang House ng MR at ma-reverse, that's the time we will abide by the ruling. Ni-reverse the Supreme Court.
Mabotohan na.
Yes, whether to abide or not to abide.
Sir, mabotohan doon, sir, kung abide pero hindi i-dismiss.
Parang ano rin yun. If you abide by the ruling of the Supreme Court, technically, it's not enough to dismissal of the case.
Pero di-decision.
Well, I'm not a lawyer, pero yun ang interpretation ko.
So maging decision kayo as a legislative body, hindi as an impeachment
Yes,
court?
no, not as an impeachment court. Dahil we will never convene again as an impeachment court dahil wala na nga kami jurisdiction.
Sayang yung room.
Sir, ano